Welcome to I think our first video that we're posting of leftovers. Today we're going to look at multiple ways to use leftover rice. The leftover rice from like a Chinese restaurant, or if you have plain white rice, we're going to make fried rice with that. Okay, these are the ingredients we have. We have some leftover tofu or stir-fried tofu with some veggies. We have leftover white rice. That's what we're going to use for our fried rice. I have a few eggs, and then for the fried rice we'll also need some soy sauce and sesame oil, but that's really it. And I think we'll go ahead and get started now on the fried rice. So first thing, obviously we'll get our pan heated up. That'll take just a minute, and in the meantime I'm going to get 2 scrambled eggs ready, or 2 eggs ready to scramble. One. I'm going to add, I think, just a little bit of oil or butter to the pan. I'm actually going to put a little bit of butter. Okay, we're ready to start the frying process. A lot of this type of food, and if you have a wok, you can obviously use that. I don't have a wok, so I'm just using a normal pan. We're going to put it on a pretty high heat, so you just kind of want to have everything ready because you're going to start throwing things into the pan on high heat. So the first thing we're going to add is the egg. And I know that seems kind of funny. I always thought you had the rice first, but we're actually doing the egg first for egg fried rice. So that's going to go. We're just going to scramble that really quick. And once it's just about cooked, we're going to add the rice. And again, this was 2 eggs and about a tablespoon of butter. Add our rice. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it. If your other ingredients are already pretty salty, we're going to add our other leftover veggies. And again, this could be anything you have. At the moment we have leftover tofu. If you have, again, leftover Mongolian beef, curry chicken, whatever you have can be thrown in there. And we're going to throw that into the pan. Give that just a minute or 2. Again, everything's already cooked, so we're really just warming it up. Then at the very end, we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of sesame oil. Soy sauce, sesame oil over the top. This is now done. That's pretty much it. We've used our leftover rice that we had in the container from the restaurant and whatever leftovers we had. And it's going to have a much better texture than had you just microwaved it. Okay. It looks delicious. Try it and take a bigger bite. It's delicious. Still has a nice texture, and we didn't lose any texture to the microwave. Oh, yes. Don't mind me. He is the world's best guy.